Modern LLM serving lives or dies on one operation. Attention! FlashInfer is an open-source kernel library and a best paper winner at MLSys 2025 that makes attention fast under real, messy serving traffic. It now powers VLLM, SG-Lang, and NVIDIA Stack. In this video, why serving attention is hard, what FlashInfer is, how it works, its architecture, how it compares to Flash Attention, the numbers, and when to reach for it. Here's the pain. In production, requests arrive with wildly different sequence lengths, and the key value cache is stored in many layouts, paged, radix-tree, tree mask. A static attention curl written for one shape either recompiles constantly or wastes the GPU. Long requests jam some cores while others sit idle, so the load is unbalanced. You need attention that adapts to changing traffic without giving up raw kernel speed. So what is it? FlashInfer is a customizable attention engine for LLM inference serving. Think of it as a library of highly optimized attention kernels plus a compiler that shapes them to your exact workload. It handles decode, prefill, and append attention, shared prefix cascades, and both Flash Attention 2 and Flash Attention 3 style templates on CUDA and Tensor cores. One engine, many serving patterns, all fast. The serving loop has a clever split. Plan, then run. First, store the KV cache as one unified block-sparse tensor. Then call plan once. It inspects the batch and schedules the work into balanced tiles. A just-in-time compiled kernel for that shape is fetched or built, then cached. Finally, run executes the attention. The plan is reused across many decode steps, so scheduling cost is paid once, not every token. Architecturally, FlashInfer stands on three pillars. First, a unified KV format. Every layout, paged, radix-tree, tree mask, becomes one block-sparse-row matrix, so a single kernel family serves them all. Second, a customizable attention template, specialized per shape by just-in-time compilation. Third, a load-balanced scheduler that splits uneven work into uniform tiles across thread blocks, with deterministic reductions, and it stays compatible with CUDA-graphs. How is this different from Flash Attention? Flash Attention is the exact attention algorithm, tiling plus online softmax, that avoids writing the huge attention matrix to memory. FlashInfer builds on top of it for serving. It adds the block-sparse cache, just-in-time customization, and a dynamic scheduler. On both uniform and skewed sequence lengths, its load balancing beats a single fixed Flash Attention kernel. The numbers back it up. Against compiler-based kernel backends on a standard serving benchmark, FlashInfer cut inter-token latency by 29 to 69%. For long context inference, it trimmed latency by 28 to 30%, and for parallel generation, it delivered a 13 to 17% speedup. Faster tokens on the very same hardware. Where does the speed come from? Mostly from not wasting the GPU. The load-balanced scheduler keeps every streaming multiprocessor busy instead of stalling on one long request, so utilization stays high. The block-sparse format cuts redundant memory traffic and lets shared prefixes be reused. And because plans are cached and CUDA-graph safe, the per-step launch overhead nearly vanishes. Who actually uses it? FlashInfer is the attention backend inside major serving stacks. SG-Lang routes attention through it by default on both Hopper and Blackwell GPUs. In VLLM, it's the default on Blackwell and opt-in on Hopper. MLSys engine and NVIDIA Tensor RTLLM ship its kernels too. If you serve open models at scale today, FlashInfer is very likely running underneath. In Python, it's really two steps. You create a wrapper over a Scratch workspace buffer, call plan with your batches layout and shapes, then call run on every decode step. Plan does the scheduling and kernel selection once, run just launches the cached, just-in-time built kernel. That plan and run split is exactly what makes it both fast and CUDA-graph friendly. When should you reach for it? If you're building or tuning a high-throughput serving system on NVIDIA GPUs with varied request lengths and shared prefixes, it's a clear win. Think twice if you just need a single local generation on a laptop, if you're on non-NVIDIA hardware, or if you're doing training rather than inference. There, plain Flash Attention or a simpler path may be enough. Quick recap. Serving attention is hard because traffic is dynamic and KV layouts vary. FlashInfer wraps attention in one block-sparse format, a just-in-time specialized template, and a load-balanced plan and run scheduler. It builds on Flash attention but adds real serving smarts, cutting inter-token latency by up to 69%. It powers VLLM, SGLang, and more. Reach for it when you serve at scale on NVIDIA GPUs. That's FlashInfer, the quiet engine making your tokens stream faster. Did this make FlashInfer click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.